Well, there are only 2 places in the entire United States that are doing human trials of the COVID-19 vaccine, and one of them is right here in the metro. It's a contribution that could save lives across the globe.
So you can see this red spot and that red spot.
Brandon Kenig proudly shows off marks on his arm that only 40 people in the U.S. have. Kenig says he's always had a heart for service, so when the opportunity to participate in a COVID-19 vaccine trial came up, he jumped on it. After a battery of tests and long conversations, Kenig was chosen as a guinea pig.
That's exactly what I am, yes. Even though initially I was very excited, I started, having some anxiety and doubts, and just knowing that there is inherent risk involved. This is something that hasn't been injected in anybody before, and phase 1 trial is to judge safety.
Without a doubt, these are the 2 trials that are most important that we've ever done, and I feel very privileged to be involved.
As the principal investigator at the Alliance for Multi-Specialty Research Kansas City, Dr. John Irvin has been involved in 100 vaccine trials and is overseeing the INOVIO Pharmaceuticals trial that Kenig is participating in.
What this does is it teaches our immune system to recognize the fingerprints of the virus.
Irvin explains the DNA sequence on COVID-19 spikes has been reproduced synthetically. When injected into the body, the immune system sees it as a foreign invader and makes antibodies to kill it. So when active COVID-19 virus gets in, the immune system has a weapon to destroy it. So far, the trials are showing very promising results.
And gosh, we've got to get out of this mess, and really the way to do it is to get effective vaccines and just accelerate. As long as they're safe, let's accelerate them and get them out there as quickly as we can, because we're all tired of this.
Kenig got his last of 2 vaccine shots Monday and still has lab work ahead of him to make sure all is well, but says he has had no side effects at all and feels great.
It was, probably the best and one thing that I could do myself, just as one person out of so many people trying to find a way out of this.
If all goes well, scientists think that perhaps the vaccine may be able to be rolled out by the end of the year. Now, besides the promise that it shows right now in these trials, there are other reasons this vaccine is so extraordinary. I'll tell you that story coming up on Fox 4 News tonight at 10 o'clock. Shannon O'Brien, Fox 4 News.